Hello, welcome to Simple Spanish Sentences. This is the 13th video in the playlist on Spanish verb tenses and moods. In it, I'm going to share some sentences that show a specific use of the imperfect tense. It occurs when one verb in the imperfect tense is used together with another verb that's also in the imperfect tense. When multiple verbs are used together in the imperfect tense, it often describes events in the past that were happening at the same time. Hopefully, the following examples will clarify how this is used. Additionally, I hope you're already familiar with how the imperfect tense is conjugated. Although I'll briefly discuss how it's done here, it may be helpful to learn more about it by watching some of my previous videos so you don't get overwhelmed. The four verbs I'm going to use in this video are to cook, which is cocinar, to study, which is estudiar, to read, which is leer, and to write, which is escribir. For the first set of sentences, cocinar and leer will be in the I form, and estudiar and escribir will be in the you form when talking to one person informally. So cocinar will become cocinaba, leer becomes leía, estudiar becomes estudiabas, and escribir becomes escribías. I was cooking rice and you were writing a letter is yo cocinaba arroz y escribías una carta. I was reading a book and you were studying Spanish is yo leía un libro y estudiabas español. For the second set of sentences, cocinar and leer will be in the he and she form, and estudiar and escribir will be in the you form when talking to one person formally. So cocinar becomes cocinaba, leer becomes leía, estudiar is estudiaba, and escribir is escribía. He or she was cooking rice and you were writing a letter is él or ella cocinaba arroz y usted escribía una carta. Maria was reading a book and you were studying Spanish is María leía un libro y usted estudiaba español. For the third set of sentences, cocinar and leer will be in the we form, and estudiar and escribir will be in the you form when talking to multiple people informally and in Spain. So cocinar becomes cocinábamos, leer becomes leíamos, estudiar becomes estudiabais, and escribir becomes escribíais. We were cooking pasta and you were writing a book is cocinábamos pasta y escribíais un libro. Maria and I were reading a poem and you and Pedro were studying English is Maria y yo leíamos un poema y tú y Pedro estudiabais inglés. And for the fourth set of sentences, cocinar and leer will be in the they form, and estudiar and escribir will be in the you form when talking to multiple people. So cocinar becomes cocinaban, leer becomes leían, estudiar becomes estudiaban, and escribir becomes escribían. They were cooking pasta and you were writing a book is ellos or ellas cocinaban pasta y ustedes escribían un libro. And Maria and Martha were reading a poem and you and Pedro were studying English is Maria y Marta leían un poema y tú y Pedro estudiaban inglés. That's all for this video. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you did and would like to support this channel, you can do that in a number of ways. Also, if you noticed any mistakes, feel free to let me know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and take care.